Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Rangefinder in Ghost Recon Wildlands. First, you'll need to equip it. Open your loadout menu and navigate to the gear section. Select the Rangefinder and assign it to an available slot. This ensures it's readily accessible during missions. Many players find it helpful to bind it to a quick access key for seamless deployment in the field. Once equipped, activating your Rangefinder is straightforward. Simply press the designated button or key to bring it up. You'll then see an overlay on your screen. Point the Rangefinder directly at your intended target, whether it's an enemy, a vehicle, or an objective. The device will quickly calculate and display the precise distance in meters, usually within a few seconds. Understanding the Rangefinder's output is crucial for precision. The number you see on the display represents the exact distance in meters from your current position to the target. This information is vital for snipers, as it allows you to accurately compensate for bullet drop. For instance, if a target is 400 meters away, you'll know to adjust your scope's zeroing or aim slightly higher to ensure a direct hit. In practical combat scenarios, the Rangefinder is an invaluable tool. Always range your targets before taking long-distance shots, especially with sniper rifles. This simple step can dramatically increase your first shot hit probability. Furthermore, effectively communicating target distances to your squadmates can provide a significant tactical advantage, allowing for coordinated and precise engagements across the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.